Hello, second graders. The internet is such a cool place that allows us to connect with people using computers, phones, and other devices. The internet is huge. It is a lot like our world. It is made up of real life people just like us. It can be made up of you, your parents, your teachers, even our president uses the internet. Online, there are many ways to connect with people. You can play games, message, FaceTime, text with people in your community. So that would be like your family and your friends from school or other places. With others in the world that you might not know, such as celebrities or athletes, you can connect with them online by reading about them or watching their videos or sports games. You should only connect with people online that are in your community. Especially always make sure to get permission from a trusted adult. Thanks!